To automatically change your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra home screen wallpaper when theater mode is on, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap theater. Scroll down the screen. Under change appearance section, tap the home screen thumbnail. Select the desired home screen wallpaper. As the example, we will select a wallpaper from the graphical section. Tap done button to save your selection. With this setting, when theater mode is active, your phone will automatically set the selected wallpaper as your home screen wallpaper. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.